Hi, today I am going to do just a quick tutorial on applying Waterslide. I've already printed my Waterslide. Cut it out. It's on clear Waterslide. I got off Amazon and just printed with my regular printer. Then I put 3 good coats of this crystal clear acrylic on it. Let dry in between coats. Oh, before you pick it up from your printer, also make sure you give this some time to dry so you don't ruin the picture. So now I have a bowl of water right here. And actually, before I do this, I'm going to clean my cup. Hang on. So cleaning my cup just with alcohol and cotton ball to get all the fingerprints and dust and whatnot off. So just rubbing over the cup with the alcohol. This actually is dirty. I don't know. Maybe from the newspaper was wrapped in. Transport it. Alright. So, give the cup a once over. I'm going to take my Waterslide. Now you print this just regular, you don't need to mirror it or anything. And I drop it in my water. Sure it's in there. And you see how it's curling up? And I'm waiting for it to straighten back out. Looks like it's already done that. Alright. Fish it out. Put the cup a little closer so you can see. Alright. So, there's the Waterslide. Nice and wet. And another tip is to kind of make whatever you're putting it on wet too. So, very gently slide the backing off. And then straighten it out to get all the wrinkles out. It's kind of hard for me to see. I'm trying to, yeah, it's kind of disintegrating right here. That's okay. For what I'm doing, it'll still work. And there you have it. Just getting all the little wrinkles out. And the Waterslide is nice and under. So now I'm going to let it dry. And then I will epoxy over it. Thanks for watching.